Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another silver unboxing. We have this great UPS box here, ready to be opened, and we'll see what's inside. This is going to be kind of a blind unboxing, because it's not my order, and I don't know what's inside, but it should be exciting to see what's in here. So let's see how they did. I forget where this order came from. Bullion, maybe? I'm not sure. But there should be something in here. Here we go. Alright, let's see what we're getting. Alright. Just drop it out there. That looks like it. What should we start with? Let's start with this little container. You can see it looks like 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 of something. I'll pop this open and see what is inside here. Looks like, so we've got proof looking side on the Morgan head. So these look like SMI and Morgan head 1 ounces, and I'm guessing that they're all going to be the same. Yep, there they are. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 8 of them in this tube. And these are really shiny, proof-like looking coins. These are pretty cool. And they've got this space on the back where you can use this secret decoder ring to show the hologram if you have it. I don't have the decoder ring, so I cannot do that. But that's pretty cool. So that's our first item. The camera's losing its ability to stay where it should be. Alright, so we got 8 ounces there. And let's see what else we got in this little stack. Ooh, coin jewels. Ooh, that's cool. Maybe I'll save that for the end. That could be interesting. Alright, we'll save that one. Let's see what else we got. Here's the invoice, I'm guessing. Alright, here's a Canadian coin. This looks like an eagle. That's pretty cool. 2016. Nice. And then we'll have to open these. This happened before. They put the tape on it. It's hard to see through the tape, but that's alright. Oh, cool. These little fish. Oh, and a shark. Awesome. Wait, is that a shark too? Okay, these two look the same. And then this third one, though, white shark. Great white shark. 2015. Alright, very neat. And then our next pair here. And these are some of the 1 1/4 ounces. We saw these in the last video from Canada. That's pretty neat. A little bit bigger than the usual 1 ounce. And then another pair here. Looks like the Canadian coin of some kind. What is this guy? So there's the buffalo. Sioux buffalo. I've never seen that one before. That's awesome. And then this Canadian wildcat, whatever you call this guy, wolf. I don't know. Sorry. Someone will know out there. But very nice. Ooh, and it looks like a little bit of gold in the order. Let's check that one out up close. African wildlife elephant, 1 ounce gold. From the Somali Republic, 2016. I like that one. A nice gold ounce. Very good. And then our last guy is this Coin Jewels. I think this is one of those that has jewels in it, I guess, obviously. Ooh, it's got a certificate up there. This is cool. California Gold Rush. And it looks like it may have some little gold flakes in there. Let's see if we can get that out of there. Yeah. So we have 1 ounce of silver. I'm guessing the gold amount is tiny, but it's awesome that it's encapsulated inside that coin. And it looks like the gold panner's just digging that gold right out of the coin. That's pretty cool. I like that one. 24 karat gold leaf. They made 1,500 of these, it looks like. And it's 1 ounce of silver, and then gold leaf is probably an amount that doesn't add up to much, but makes an awesome coin. That's very neat. Alright, so there we have it. 1 jewel, 8 of those, 1 ounce gold elephant, and then several other 1 ouncers, Canadians, and the sharks, and the whole group. So a total of 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 silver ounces, 1 gold ounce. And that's the order. So nice job on these coins. And thanks for watching, everyone. We'll see you next time.